inside move, sneaky inside move. Oh no! Oh! All right, Lee. I'm on you, buddy. I got you, Lee. I'm right behind you. Whoa! Jake, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, Jake. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Outside of
Ah! There we go. Ah, you sneaky bitch. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's all right, sir. Yeah. Woo-hoo. I'm coming, Jake. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, you bitch. You bitch. Hey, Jake. Woo. So when I was yelling at
I heard you behind me.
dude, I dropped it into first gear by accident. I wrecked immediately.
Skip.
Yeah, no, not even. I just went boom.
I looked back and saw you laying on the ground.
Yeah. Hey, Jake.
They read at me and you kind of jumped off the brake and just said, ah, fuck it. I thought that was bitching. I was like, yeah, hell yeah, awesome. And then you just kind of let go with your legs and let it just.
I think I mini panicked.
Stay with it. You had it. That was bitching. That was 100% perfect. Right up until you just kind of went, nah, fuck it.
So just stay with it. Stay with it. Okay.
I'm okay. I got this.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.